All aboard! Welcome back, TrailMarco riders. Hop aboard the Nostalgia Express as we journey back in time and relive the life of loggers in the 40s and 50s. In the central portion of the Fakahatchee Strand, a mesmerizing network of logging trams, remnant of a bygone logging area, weaves a historical tapestry across the landscape. Picture this. From 1944 to 1954, these sturdy pathways served as the lifeblood of a bustling logging operation, echoing with the sounds of saws and the rhythmic chug of machinery. Imagine stepping back in time to the 1940s, where the heart of the Fakahatchee Strand pulsed with the energy of logging activity. Working on the logging trams was a rugged yet vibrant experience, filled with the sights and sounds of an industry in full swing. Loggers, clad in weathered boots, operated heavy machinery that echoed through the cypress stands. The scent of sawdust hung in the air as chainsaws buzzed, slicing through towering trees destined for processing. It was a demanding job that required skill and resilience. Loggers navigated the swampy terrain, often standing atop moving logs, showcasing a delicate dance with danger. The rhythmic clatter of the trams became a symphony, harmonizing with the calls of native birds and the rustle of leaves. Long hours and challenging conditions were the norm, yet camaraderie flourished among the workers. Stories were shared around makeshift campfires, laughter echoed through the trees, and bonds were formed amidst the challenges of the wilderness. As the logging trams carved their way through the landscape, they not only transported timber, but also the memories of hardworking individuals who left an indelible mark on Fakahatchee's history. Today, as we traverse the same paths those loggers once trod, the echoes of their toil linger. The logging trams, now silent, witness to the passage of time, carry the legacy of those who shaped this landscape. Today, these once utilitarian trams have evolved into more than mere relics. They stand as linear hammocks, cradling a rich tapestry of plant life that has flourished in the years since logging ceased. As we roll along the trails, you'll witness the resilience of nature, as a diverse array of tree species thrive upon the very pathways that once echoed with the industry's hustle and bustle. These trams, with their east-west orientation, might have unintentionally played a role in maintaining water levels closer to historic norms within the Strand's interior sloughs. It's a fascinating twist of fate, where the scars of the past now nurture the vibrant ecosystems of the present. So as we venture deeper into the heart of the Fakahatchee, keep an eye out for the subtle whispers of history that linger amidst greenery, telling tales of a bygone era. I'm Ryan with TrailMarco. Where's your next adventure?